Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Opera GX look better. Making Opera GX look better is a matter of personal preference, but here are some easy way to customize its appearance. You need to change the theme. What you have to do is open the Opera GX and click on the setting option, which is on the left hand side. We can see on the bottom right over here. Tap on that and you can simply change its theme, which is the Hackerman Lambda after 8 or P2 in. You can simply click on that theme you like, and we could see the wallpaper option over here as well. You can customize over here. You can choose the custom pieces of the wallpaper over here and tap on the wallpaper, whichever you want it to be on your Opera GX. Or you could also change the appearance of the Opera GX. Over here, we could see the dark mode, auto, or the light one. As I'm going with the light one, and we have other options as well, the sounds, the background music, and other options. And this is it, guys. And from here, you can make the Opera GX look better. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.